Does it look good? Okay. Oh, there we go. This video is gonna be a compilation of like 3-4 days of duck hunting because we haven't been shooting that well, or we haven't been seeing a lot of ducks. So it's like each day we go out, it's like 3 or 4 ducks that we get in the morning, and I don't really think that is enough to get a video out of. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. This one, I think it's 3 or 4 days worth of hunting, and hopefully that will that'll be a little better than the last one, because I only shot 2 ducks last time, and that wasn't the best. So that's what's going on. So I guess I'll get to the video here. Yeah. Going duck hunting with the old Tommy boy, Miles, Jackson, and Cole. We're gonna be sitting on a pond, a little beaver pond action. I just seen a crazy shooting star go across the whole sky. So I think it's time for a band. I wished on a shooting star. I know you're not supposed to say the wish, but I think it's a band day. I'm feeling it. There's a lot of ducks out here on this pond. Got probably 40, 50 been coming in here daily. So hopefully we can shoot them. Hopefully we don't suck. Huh? What are you saying? I don't even know if it is. No, I didn't. It was too close. It was so quick though. Yo, what is this? Yo, boys.
Right here, right here.
We got a little Drake Millardo action, boys.
For real?
Yeah, for real. Huh? Drake Millardo, baby. It's a Drake Mallard. Yeah.
Got a band on it?
Yeah, I better.
We're gonna speak it into existence. Hey. Right Holy shit. Right above us. Maybe we should like
Wait. On the duck in the pond?
yeah. What are you doing in there, Keegan?
Dude, not the greatest. Oh, dude, it stinks, boys.
Duck gone?
What?
You said the duck sank?
No, I said it stinks. Yep.
On the other side of that bush.
You got that one?
Yeah.
Okay, Jackson.
What?
Jackson, you sold
Way back there, way back there.
so hard. Jackson,
Motherfucker.
Jackson, that was horrible.
I know, dude, that was that's cool space. That was
Dude,
dumb.
you
dumb. This one's still over here. It's about to come over these trees. Look at it. Yep. Right here, Keegan.
Oh, he's dumping
Let it,
too.
let it, let
Yeah,
it,
yeah.
Let it, let it. Hold on, move, don't move. Oh. That was not me.
Hold on, wait, stay down, stay down. He's coming back, he's coming back, he's coming back.
I didn't know.
Guys, guys, guys. That's fucked. Yeah, I did. Nice. Woody's, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. I didn't even have to call those ones in. Maybe mallards. Yeah, I got you good, dude. Come here. Yeah, yeah. Got him! I got that. I got that one, dude. I smoked him good.
My gun. I smoked the first one. Somebody's gotta go sit down
Oh, dude, Miles, you blew this one's head off, bro. Feel its head. That looks hilarious.
Oh. This is a really good spot.
Yeah, it is, but like, kind of sucked, dude. We only shot 2 birds.